everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be covering some of the most common flooring mistakes and how you can avoid them. Whether you're planning a DIY project or hiring professionals, knowing these pitfalls can save you time, money and headaches. Let's get started. Installing or choosing flooring might seem straightforward, but there are a few common mistakes that can lead to long-term issues. We'll break down these mistakes one by one and give you practical tips to avoid them. One of the most frequent mistakes is choosing the wrong type of flooring for your space. Not every flooring material is good for each room. For example, hardwood may be beautiful, but it's not good for moisture-prone areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Water can damage hardwood and cause it to warp or buckle. To avoid this mistake, always consider the conditions of the room before making your decision. For wet areas like bathrooms, kitchens or basements, go with water-resistant options like vinyl or tile. If you're looking for something durable for high traffic areas, laminate or vinyl planks are great choices that offer the look of hardwood without the risk of water damage. Think about the function of your space and how it will be used. Bedrooms and living rooms are great for softer surfaces like carpet or engineered wood, but for areas that see a lot of footfall traffic, durability is key. Another big mistake people make is not properly preparing the subfloor before installation. Your subfloor needs to be flat, clean and dry. Ignoring this step can lead to all sorts of problems down the line, like uneven floors, squeaks and even premature wear and tear. Make sure to inspect the subfloor for any cracks, gaps or uneven areas. If you find any, use a leveling compound to smooth out the surface. If you're laying tile, it's especially important that the subfloor is perfectly even to prevent cracking over time. For floating floors like laminate or vinyl, an uneven subfloor can cause the boards to separate or even warp. Don't skip this step, it might add extra time to your project, but a smooth, solid subfloor is crucial to ensuring your flooring lasts. Expansion gaps are something many DIY installers overlook, but they're essential for most flooring types like hardwood, laminate and vinyl planks. These floors expand and contract with changes in temperature and humidity. If you install them too tight against walls, you risk the floor buckling or warping as it expands. To avoid this mistake, always leave an expansion gap between the flooring and the walls. Typically around 1/4 inch is recommended. You can cover this gap later with skirting boards or beading. This won't affect the look of your floor, but will give your flooring room to move if needed. Another common mistake is using the wrong method to lay your floor. Different materials require different installation methods. For example, using regular nails on hardwood flooring could cause splitting, and using the wrong adhesive for vinyl or tile can lead to lifting or gaps over time. Always check the manufacturer's recommendations for adhesive, nails or fasteners and follow them carefully. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to consult with a flooring expert before getting started. For materials like hardwood, engineered wood and even some laminates, acclimatizing the flooring before installation is critical. These materials need time to adjust to the temperature and humidity of your home. If you skip this step, the flooring can expand or contract, which can cause gaps or buckling. To avoid this mistake, let the flooring sit in your room for at least 48 to 72 hours. This will give it time to adjust to the environment, ensuring a more stable installation. Using the wrong tools for installation is another mistake that can lead to poor results. For example, if you're trying to install laminate or hardwood without a soft mallet or pulling bar, it can result in gaps between the planks. Using the right tools can provide an easier installation with a more cleaner and professional finish. Before starting your project, make sure you have all the correct tools on hand. Many hardware stores offer tool rentals, so you don't have to purchase expensive equipment for a one-time job. Even after your new flooring is installed, there is one more mistake to avoid: neglecting regular maintenance. Different flooring types require different levels of care. Hardwood requires regular cleaning and occasional refinishing, while vinyl and laminate are still easier to maintain, but would still benefit from regular cleaning to prevent scratches from dirt. Make sure to use furniture pads to protect your floors from scratches and clean your floors based on the manufacturer's guidelines. A little care goes a long way in keeping your floors looking new for years. Here at Flooring Surgeons, we're here to help you avoid these common flooring mistakes and help your project go smoothly from start to finish. If you need advice or expert installation, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. And thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips from us. Hi everyone. What was this? Okay. Laminate and vinyl. occasional refinishing, while lino to prevent scratches from debris in areas like bathrooms and kitchens. I think we can leave that last. Choosing the wrong type of flooring for your space. Many DIY installers overlook. I forgot the rest. In engineered wood, but for higher areas, that sit. If you skip this step, let the flooring sit in your room for at least 48 to 72 hours. Let the flooring sit in your room for at least 48 to 72 hours. Let your flooring sit in the room for at least 48 to 72 hours. This will give it time to adjust to the environment. Providing a more stable adhesive.